Hey knowledge lovers! Today we are doing a deep dive review of the Beginner Figma UI UX Design Essentials Specialization on Coursera. This isn't just a dry technical manual, it is a hands-on journey led by one of the most entertaining instructors in the game, Daniel Walter Scott. It is completely online so you can take it from any country, and yes, it includes its respective certification to prove you aren't just guessing your way through design. And as always, the link to access this course is in the video description. Let's dive in. Who is this for and who is teaching it? This specialization is explicitly designed for the I know absolutely nothing beginner. You don't need a background in art or tech. The instructor, Daniel Walter Scott, is an Adobe certified expert, and he has a unique talent for stripping away the scary jargon and making design feel like fun. He doesn't just teach you where the buttons are, he teaches you why you are pressing them. The program is broken down into 3 specific courses that mirror the real-world workflow of a designer. You start with the basics, setting up your account and understanding the interface, but you very quickly move into the real meat of user experience and user interface design. The core skills, from wireframes to auto layout. In the first part of the specialization, you learn the crucial foundation, wireframing. You'll learn to take a messy idea from your head and turn it into a structured blueprint using user personas and design briefs. This is where you learn to solve problems before you even start making things look pretty. Then things get technical in the best way possible. You will master the tools that make Figma a superpower: auto layout, constraints, and variants. Trust me, these 3 things are the difference between an amateur designer and a pro. You will learn to create responsive buttons and menus that automatically resize when you change the text or the screen size. You aren't just drawing pictures, you are building scalable design systems. Remember that if you're interested, you can find the link to access this course at the best price in the description. Bringing it to life, prototyping and handoff. Static images are boring, right? That's why the final part of this specialization focuses on prototyping. You'll learn to add interactions, animations, and transitions to your designs. By the end of this section, you will have a clickable version of your app or website that feels like the real thing. You can literally put it on your phone and test it. But here's the secret weapon of this course. It teaches you developer handoff. A pretty design is useless if a coder can't build it. This course teaches you how to use Figma's collaboration tools to package your designs so developers will love working with you. That is a soft skill that will get you hired. The applied projects. We talk a lot about hands-on learning here, and this course delivers. You won't just watch Daniel design, you will design along with him. Throughout the specialization, you will complete a series of projects that simulate real client work. You will create a full set of user personas, wireframes, high-fidelity mockups, and fully interactive prototypes. By the time you finish, you will have a legitimate portfolio of work to show off to potential clients or employers. My honest opinion. So, is it worth your time? Absolutely. If you want to break into UI UX design, this is arguably the most approachable and comprehensive entry point on the market. It balances the art of design with the science of the software perfectly. Now, you could pay for this specialization by itself, but let me save you some money. The best way to get this course is by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription. Instead of a one-time payment for just this program, Coursera Plus gives you unlimited access to this course and more than 7,000 other courses. You can master Figma here and then jump straight into the Google UX Design Professional Certificate to double down on your skills, all for one monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price is in the description below. Until next time, knowledge lovers.